After your students go to google.com, you will have them go to the search bar in the middle of the screen and type Chrome Store, and then click Enter. Your students will click on the link that says Chrome Web Store. Then in the Chrome Web Store search bar, they will type Codebender and then click Enter. Then your students will find the Codebender app, which is the first one, and click Add to Chrome. Then they will click Add App. On your students' Chromebooks, the app will automatically download on the right-hand side. As soon as the app downloads on your students' Chromebooks, they will see a screen that looks like this. What they will need to do is click on the center of the Codebender app. Then they will click on Launch App. Then they will see this pop-up box. They will click on the blue Codebender link. Now your students have access to the Codebender website. They will click Log In on the upper right-hand corner. Then they will click the red Sign In with Google rectangle. Then they will choose their account and click on it. And now they will have access to create their own sketch. Your students will now click on Create Sketch. They can name their sketch anything they want. Then they will click Create. The Codebender program will already provide them with the first line of code for void setup and void loop. I have my students completely erase this code so they can have practice typing their own code. They may just copy the code straight from the handout. After your students finish typing the code for their first project, which is a series circuit, they will go up here and select a board. The board we are using for this project is an Arduino Uno. They would find Arduino Uno and click on it. Now they will be able to verify their code to see if they have any mistakes. Click Verify Code. If you notice, there's a mistake on line 7. I have forgotten to type a semicolon. Now I can re-verify. If the code is correct, the program will print verification successful. Now, your students will connect their Arduino Uno to one of the USB ports in their Chromebooks, and they will choose one of the ports. When your students click on this down arrow, they will be able to choose from 2 different ports. They may test out both ports. After they choose a port, have your students click on Run on Arduino. If the program says there is a mistake at this point, have your students choose the other port. Then click Run on Arduino again, and they should see their LEDs start to blink.